Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slap. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new Gucci powder. Gucci, actually that's not even the right way around. Gucci. This is the Gucci Powder de Beauté Matte Naturel Face Powder. It is £46. It's got a floral fragrance, so that's interesting. I do like the fact that it's refillable. So it is £46. It comes in 12 shades. It goes up to shade 11. I did order number 10 and it came and it was much lighter than I wanted it to be. It didn't really seem that deep for me, so I did end up purchasing 11, but luckily they haven't actually collected my number 10 yet, so I will show you number 10 as well. I'm not going to touch it because I want my money back. I don't want to. Also guys, I'm rocking an interesting do. I feel like I'm living my best Tina Turner, Diana Ross lifestyle. I'm going full on curly suit. It is great. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slap family. So this is the packaging here. 10 grams, 0.35 ounces. You open the box, it comes in this gorgeous little Gucci pouch. It's pink velvet, baby pink velvet. And it's got Gucci on the front. And it's all baby pink and gold. That's kind of the vibe. And it's very thick. It's got this kind of corrugated gold all around. Really, really nice. It's super luxurious, super gorgeous. It's really, actually, I feel like pretty good value for money. And then when you open it, oh my God, when you open it, this is what it looks like. You get the mirror. And then it's got Gucci embossed in the powder. And then it's got a little lever here. Number 10 came first and I saw it, I was like, oh my God, that looks really light. But just so you can see it, this is shade number 10. This is shade number 11. I decided that this was probably the better match for me. It just looked a bit richer. It does have a little bit of glitter in it, whereas the other one didn't. I'm not really sure why, but maybe it just kind of gives it more of a bronzy effect. So they did say that it has a floral scent, so let me give it a sniff. It does smell quite floral, that is correct, that is true. I'm gonna use the poof under my eye, and I'm gonna use the poof all over really, just poof it up. So this is the powder here, it is beautiful. So I'm gonna use the Gucci mirror. Okay. On the edges of my forehead. It's very mattifying. So I'm going to use a brush on the other side. It looks a bit more lightweight, but I'm not really seeing any of that shimmer. It's a bit flat. It doesn't really have much dimension to it, but I do still need to bronze and blush and put on a bit of mascara. Just before I set down my face, I'm going to go in with a tiny bit more. I'm not sure why, I'm a sucker for punishment. As you can see, I'm still getting a bit creasy. I'm just going to quickly set down my face, see if it makes any difference. Probably won't, but you never know. MAC Fix Plus setting spray in the regular non-matte version. I was looking for something illuminating, but I don't want to be too glowy. So this is it set down. It's definitely got a bit more dew and a bit more life back to it, and so I'm very much enjoying that. I do feel like it does actually set down really, really nicely, and I'm really surprised by that. I'd pretty much written it off as the worst powder in the history of powders, but it actually looks pretty good, and it just looks a lot better actually. Probably would have rated it a 2 out of 5 before, and now it's probably a 3 out of 5, so that's good. It's beautiful packaging, it's absolutely gorgeous, and I love it for that reason and that reason alone. Yeah, that's pretty much it guys. I hope you liked this video, I hope it was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching and bearing with me and my barnet, and I will see you on the next one.